Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this art shaped mask on your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select library and I'm just going to use this for mine. I'm going to firstly go to mask and I'm going to select the rectangle one, select the reverse button and just like create kind of like a doorway like that. Like put it down a little bit, right click, create compound clip, and then you're just going to select the circle one and you're going to invert that and you're just going to create an art shape with this, like try to like that. And it's not like perfect, as you can see, like there's still some like circle bits sticking out, but this is the best that I can do. And that is it, really. It is super simple, but I feel like it adds a nice little touch to your videos. So like you can like make it like into a video transition. Here I'll show you, add a keyframe here and then like just like make the scale bigger to show the full video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!